We are in apartment 375. This is the Henson floor plan. When you walk in, directly to your left is your laundry space. So this has your full-size washer and dryer and then extra storage above. And then right next to that, you have a coat closet at your entry. And then you walk directly into your beautiful kitchen. So you can tell there's a ton of cabinet space and a lot of counter space as well. Then you also have your stainless appliances. So you have your double door refrigerator and the beautiful black backsplash. And then here is where, for your island, you'll have your microwave space there. Let's take a look at the kitchen from this angle. It's beautiful. And this island is perfect for bar stools as well, and there's a place to tuck them under so they're not sticking out in your walkway. And then this living space is expansive, just like the windows in it. So there's plenty of space in here for a small table in front of your island, in addition to all of your furniture for your living space. So again, huge space for all of your entertaining. And here are your beautiful windows. And then here's the whole space. All right, so let's go over here. This door here is the utility closet. And then over here is your guest bathroom. Again, lots of counter space and storage in this bathroom. All right, and then here is your first bedroom. It's got a great ceiling fan and those huge windows. They do have window coverings, so those are just open right now. And then you have this great closet. It's lit, and it's got the California closet system inside. So those racks are movable, so you can customize it the way you'd like. And then we'll take a look from this angle too. All right, let's go check out the other bedroom. And this is a split design 2-bedroom. So the bedrooms are across the living space. Here is the other bedroom. Again, the ceiling fan and big windows. And then this one is attached to this gorgeous bathroom. So it's huge. You've got the double sinks, all this counter space and huge mirror. And then as you can tell, there's a bunch of extra storage. And in here and the kitchen, we're missing the black hardware for the cabinets, but those will be in. All right, and then this will have a glass door on it as well, but you have a tiled shower all the way to the ceiling. A little extra storage next to that, and then this huge, beautiful California closet. Again, a huge walk-in, fully customizable as well. All right, let's go check out that kitchen one more time.